street rod to take a look at here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1947 Chevrolet Aero sedan street rod. According to the previous owner, underneath the hood of this one, 383 stroker. Also nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC, vintage AC style system on it. Also has an automatic transmission paired up with that 383 stroker. It's a TH 350, so turbo hydromatic, 350 automatic. Go ahead and take a look at the front grille. Headlight surrounds, you can see they're Frenched in. Vented hood. And this is painted, by the way. It's not vinyl or anything like that. That is painted. Kind of a, I guess, purplish fuchsia to blue highlights to yellow top. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside of this car, take a look at the interior engine bay. Still pictures to be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can always call us, 507-386-1726. See us riding on Centerline custom wheels. Antenna, also Frenched in, power antenna. We'll get around to the driver's side. Let you take a look at interior, some of the options this one has. Nicely equipped street rod, let's put it that way. Once again, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. If you take a look at the underside shots of this vehicle, you can see looks like newer exhaust on it. It is Flowmaster mufflers, by the way. Also has power windows, and it does also have poppers for the doors. And the button for those, or for the one on the driver's side here, is just behind this door, and then on the underside there's a button there to click, and there's also two on the dash. So we'll check those out when we get to the interior. You'll probably be able to see them from the underside pictures. But yeah, basically if you're standing at that door, reaching just behind it towards the rear wheel well, and reach around underneath that bottom kind of lower rocker, you'll find a button to pop the door. Still pictures, once again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And once again, that phone number, 507-386-1726.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, so we get the door open, hood popped. Just finished taking a look at this car. There's a bucket seats up front. Tilt column. Look at those VDO gauges. Let's go ahead and fire this up. There you get a look at the gauges here. Tachometer working. Speedometer. The odometer reads a little under 6,400, 6,338, FYI. Oil pressure, voltmeter. That was a cold start, so I'd assume that the water temperature would be at the bottom. And fuel gauge. So it appears all the gauges are working. Here's the poppers from the doors on the inside. And then you can see the vintage AC controls, aftermarket stereo. That is in working order. Coming out of that V8. Nice throaty exhaust note. Let's slip up to the front and take a peek at that engine bay. Again, previous owner states 383 stroker, Edelbrock 4-barrel headers. Nice little dressed up engine bay. And smooth, sounds good. 1947 Chevrolet Aero Sedan Street Rod, power steering, power brakes, AC. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.